Please seekers, please ignore my background. I have wasted my 2 years in these type of excuses. I used to make excuses. I haven't perfect background yet. I will make mistakes in my speaking. So I am beginner. It's not best time to start now. I should start later. And that's the reason I have been learning English. I have been practicing English to become fluent. But still, I am beginner. You know why? Because the main reason is I afraid to speak in practical way. So now I gathered my all courage to speak confidently in front of camera. I know that I am making mistakes still, but I hope my viewers will tell me my mistakes in comment box, and in this way I will improve these all mistakes step by step. But now I realized if I didn't start today, my future will be never different from now. So that's the reason is I am here and I gathered my courage to speak confidently in front of camera. I always feared to face camera and to speak in front of someone. Type of excuses I always that consider in my daily life. But this time I want to overcome these types of fears that are unnecessary in my life. I should focus on my primary goals. My primary goal is to become fluent and become better version of myself. No other reason. That's the reason I am showing up. And I know that my viewers will tell me my mistakes in speaking in the comment box. And I will read after that and I'll improve step by step my mistakes. So today is day 1 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and I'll upload every single day a video on my YouTube channel for 30 days. And I know that I don't know what will be the result at the end of this one. I know that I will get confidence and fluency in my speaking. Today is day 1 and I feel very nervous and a little bit nervous with so much excitement, because at least I take step toward my future, toward my destination. You know that I already mentioned I have been watching a lot of videos regarding English speaking, regarding beginners who just started to learn English, but they shoot video about 10 to 15 minutes English continuously speaking. And I dreamed about recording myself 10 to 15 minutes continuously speaking. It's a very hard or it's an imaginary thing for me. But this time, I hope in future, today is day 1, so it's beginning. And maybe today I'll record myself just 5 to 6 minutes, rarely. But I hope in future I will be able to record a video 10 to 15 minutes easily. Because practice makes perfect. If you start practice on daily basis, practice never let you down. You will improve and you will see your improvement and you will see your improvement. I know that I am making mistakes. I'm not fluent. I am beginner. And guys, let me tell you, I have been practicing English for 3 years and still I am beginner. That's the reason. The reason is, what's the reason? The reason is the lack of practice, lack of confidence. I always thought I should speak well, and whenever I watched a video on YouTube channel, I thought it's a very easy. I can speak very well. English is not hard. But when it turns to speak, my mind goes blank, my mouth shut, like everything erased from my mind, and my mind was totally blank. It means just 5 to 10 words I could speak, but then silence. So after a long journey of experience, you all know that our main purpose just to become fluent, just to become better version of ourselves. Then why we consider other things in our life, why we consider other things in our life are more. It's not a better way. If you really want to speak English and become fluent, and you want to improve yourself in front of them who always said you are not good enough, you can't do this, you should give up, and so you need to practice on daily basis. You don't consider other things that are unnecessary in your speaking way, like backgrounds, like your mistakes, like you are not good enough, your appearance. These things doesn't matter. The matter is just your practice, just your consistency. If you are consistent, then no one will stop you from your success. If you really want a success, then you should be consistent. And I started my 30-day English speaking series. So today is day 1 of my 30-day English speaking series. Inshallah, I hope I will keep posting my video on daily basis till 30. It means I will upload 1 month video daily on YouTube, and at the end I will see my result. I know that today I am not good enough, and at the end of the month, like at the end of my series, I will see my progress, and I am confident about it. Definitely my day after 30 will be totally different, and